Hey there, curious minds. Are you ready to dive into some amazing facts from history, science, and pop culture? Get comfy because today we're going to learn things that will blow your mind and make you go, "Whoa, really?" Let's jump right in. First stop, history. Did you know that the Great Pyramid of Giza in Egypt is over 4,500 years old? That's older than most of the written stories we know today. And here's a fun one. Vikings didn't actually wear horned helmets. That idea came from a costume designer in the 1800s. And get this, George Washington, the first president of the United States, never actually had wooden teeth. His dentures were made from, wait for it, gold, ivory, and even hippo teeth. Now let's blast off into science. Did you know that Jupiter's Great Red Spot is a storm that's been raging for over 300 years? That's like a storm that started before your great-great-great-grandparents were born. And here's something cool. Octopuses have 3 hearts. 2 pump blood to their gills, and 1 pumps it to the rest of their body. Oh, and when they're scared, they squirt ink to escape. Ninja skills, right? And finally, let's talk pop culture. Did you know that Mickey Mouse wasn't always called Mickey? His original name was Mortimer Mouse, but Walt Disney's wife thought Mickey sounded better. Good call, Mrs. Disney. Here's another fun Mickey Mouse fact. Mickey was the first animated character to earn a star on the Hollywood Walk of Fame in 1978. Talk about a superstar. And here's a fun one for superhero fans. Spider-Man's web is scientifically stronger than steel. Well, if it were real. But don't try jumping off buildings. Spidey's got special powers. Oh, and did you know the famous song, Happy Birthday, is over 100 years old? That's a lot of birthday candles. There you have it. Some of the coolest, weirdest, and most fun facts from history, science, and pop culture. Which one was your favorite? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an episode of Curious Minds. Bye.